Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. This is how I clean and disinfect a bathroom. You clean first and then you disinfect, because cleaning and disinfecting are two different things. If you've seen many of my other videos, I've explained it. If you haven't, cleaning and disinfecting are two different things. Check out those videos. I like to use a plant-based cleaner to clean the surfaces down. And then I spray it with an eco-friendly, hospital-grade, EPA-registered disinfectant. You can use any disinfectant you want. You want to use bleach? Go ahead and use bleach. That's not my thing. I use Force of Nature, which has the same bleach disinfecting properties, but without the toxic fumes. But here's the key. You have to let whatever disinfectant you use sit for several minutes, whatever the bottle says or whatever the recommended dwell time is, so that it properly kills the germs and bacteria that you're trying to kill. So while the sink is being disinfected, I then go and clean the toilet. And then after I clean the toilet, I spray that down with the disinfectant. And then I go back and finish wiping off the disinfectant off the sink. And then after I'm done with that, if I still need a few more minutes, then I go do something else. Or if the toilet's done being disinfected, then I go back to the toilet. So you have to give the proper dwell time when you're using your disinfectant. And yes, I do wash my gloves in between. I do prefer to use gloves in a bathroom and it gets washed. You can use white towels when cleaning a toilet, because then you could just wash them and disinfect them after you're done cleaning, put them in your wet bag. Or you can use paper towels to disinfect the toilet, whatever you prefer. But again, the key is whatever disinfectant you use, I prefer Force of Nature, you let it sit the recommended dwell time to kill off germs and viruses and bacteria. If you spray down Clorox and wipe it in 2 seconds, you're not disinfecting anything. You have to follow the proper dwell time. And then look at that, beautiful, shiny, clean. So that's how I do a bathroom. I clean it first, and then I spray the disinfectant. I clean it, and then I disinfect. You have to do it in that order, because cleaning removes any dust, dirt, debris, particles, pee, stuff, right? And disinfecting kills the germs, viruses, or bacteria that is on the surface. So that's why you have to do it in that order. If you have any questions, follow along. Like, subscribe, comment, love, share. I appreciate all the support. Check out all my other YouTube videos with more eco-cleaning tips, organizing tips, lots of tips. And thanks for watching. Check out my Amazon shop. I have an Amazon shop where you can get lots of stuff. And check out my affiliate links for my Thieves Cleaner, my favorite all-purpose plant-based cleaner, and the awesome Force of Nature disinfectant. Check out my links below. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.